Physics. The physics department designs and fabricates the innovative equipments for the students' laboratory purpose and even supplies to different educational institutes. Also, students of physics design and fabricate the electronic kits under the Skill Development Project. Institute of Science and Lab Education and Library Science is the only private college in Madhya Pradesh which has their self-designed and fabricated high-tech physics laboratory which consists of beta-ray spectrometer, Foucault's pendulum, Barton's pendulum, Celestron Telescope and Lissajous figures.